Baboons traditionally form large troops, prefer arid habitats and spend much of their time on the ground. But French scientists believe the animals possess another, far more unusual characteristic: the ability to recognise legitimate four-letter words. The University of Aix-Marseille team trained 6 Guinea baboons to distinguish genuine English words from non-words. Scientist Jonathan Granger led the study, setting up booths equipped with computers and touchscreens in a monkey enclosure on campus. The animals wandered in when they felt like it.
The baboon would be shown a string of 4 letters. The baboon touched that stimulus just to show us that he was actually paying attention to it. The stimulus disappeared, and then there were 2 response symbols appeared on the screen. An oval shape on the right, a cross shape on the left. The baboon had to touch the oval shape if it was a real word, and the cross shape if it was not a real word.
All non-real sample words were built of 3 consonants and 1 vowel. Through trial and error, the apes learned that these words were probably not real. For each correct word selected, they earned a reward. Granger says the results were not based on random guessing. He says the apes averaged almost 75% right, with some scoring 90%.
The first time we presented a new word for the baboon to learn, so this baboon had never seen the word before, so should have basically said that it was a non-word because there had been no repetition. The baboons were actually responding much more frequently word to these stimuli, so they had actually picked up information about what was a word and what wasn't a word, and using that information to accurately respond to stimuli that they had never seen before.
The study was intended to explore the evolution of reading. It suggests that a brain can take the first steps towards reading without already possessing language skills, something scientists say has never been demonstrated in non-humans before. Jim Drury, Reuters.